Hello and welcome to the third episode of the Filmora Creator Monetization Program tutorial series. Now that you've successfully joined the Creator Monetization Program and can start earning commissions, the key question is, how can you get more people to purchase Filmora through your affiliate link and increase your earnings? Here are some great methods to help you maximize your success. 1. Create a dedicated Filmora promotional video. Create videos showcasing Filmora's features and how it helps users produce amazing content. To attract more views and increase your income, get inspiration from trending videos on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Let your viewers know how Filmora's tools and assets made it easy for you to create your content. Your audience might be interested in purchase Filmora through your affiliate link. Be sure to include your unique link in the video description and encourage viewers to use your link to download and purchase Filmora. Here is a tip for you. Join the Filmora Creator Monetization Program Discord community to learn how to create high-quality Filmora promotional videos. See the video description for the Discord community invite. 2. Add your affiliate link to past and future contents. Update the descriptions of your existing YouTube videos, TikTok posts, Instagram captions, and Facebook posts to include your affiliate link. You may consider placing the link in the first line so that it's visible to users without expanding the description. This ensures that even your old content keeps generating income, maximizing your earning potential. 3. Directly share your affiliate link. Share your link with friends, family, classmates, and community groups to recommend Filmora. You can easily share it to people you know, via WhatsApp, email, or message them directly. Anyone looking for a powerful and versatile video editor might consider downloading Filmora through your link. The more people you reach, the greater your earning potential. With the Filmora Creator Monetization Program, you can earn a commission of up to a whopping 50% based on the revenue you generate. So, start sharing your affiliate link today. Take action now and maximize your earnings with Filmora. Check the video description for all the important links. See you in the fourth and final episode, where we'll learn how to check and withdraw your earnings. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.